People really are what make this community special, whether it's a resident and their care for their neighborhood, an entrepreneur, a small business owner, and the amount of time and sweat that they've invested into their small business. When I say quality of life, I'm talking about those tangibles and intangibles that residents expect that their community is able to provide for them. I think those are the things that redefine Festus or redefine a small town. When people come to Festus, I think they're surprised. There's an energy here. There's a heartbeat here that is exciting. There are hundreds of families that have learned about Festus, have been surprised by Festus, and have made that great choice to decide that this is a place they want to call home.
Downtown Festus 10, 12 years ago, like many main streets, had kind of been fallen by the wayside. For quite some time, it was just generally overlooked, so it's thankfully been made a kind of revitalization. More people have come in, put their vision in their own business, and then want to see that whole area succeed. So it's a lot of people working together for, I think, a common goal of having a place that's the pride of this area. It's so unique that you can have a double-sided main street with shops up and down. There's walkable areas, there's restaurants, there's bars, there's retail. I think the historical nostalgia of Main Street is, there's just a lot to it. A lot of the buildings are older, there's a lot of character in the buildings. You're providing an experience. These last 10 years have been a huge, huge boon for Main Street, but the next 10 are going to be even bigger.
Our parks are so much better than they used to be, with the additional trails and biking and hiking and fishing and horseshoes and very nice, fantastic pickleball courts. The newest is our Turtle Cove with the splash pad, and it's a great experience for all abilities, which I think is very cool. They reshaped Main Street, unique shops you can't find anyplace else. Go get an ice cream or go to a great restaurant.
A great space that will 100% show our blend of past and present is the barn. It's almost 100 years old.
It's fully remodeled. It's beautiful next to the Kreitz Park, overlooking the lake. Some of the events that really bring the community together, one would be Twin City Days. Anything out at Kreitz Park, concerts, 4th of July fireworks.
We are able to draw large amounts of people to town, and not only large amounts of people to town for the events, we're able to draw in national recording acts, big bands.
Our role in the community is one of partnership. We work very well with the city. I work frequently with them in collaboration. The community is a tremendous support for us. They're not just about passing tax issues and things like that, but they show up and show out at our events, and I think that's really important. We talk to our city officials about what kind of workforce development do they need, what kind of workers are they looking for. When our city officials and city leaders and city business people tell us, hey, here's what we're looking for, we then can put that into our school system, and I think that just benefits everyone. They are very proud of our school. We are unique in the sense that I think the support is just tremendous. But then I think it's a true testament when they come back and choose to live in our community. And we do have a lot of graduates that do come back. Festus is writing a story of pride and connection. The partnership between the city and schools and the citizens that live there will bridge that gap, moving from tradition into the future for our next generations.
All those things that add up to what makes Festus unique and special, we'll need those young people to be able to step up and help us frame that story in the future.
The story that we're writing right now is one that I think is going to make the next generation want to come back here because they've had such a great childhood and I think it's going to make them want to raise their own families here. You have to have young people in your town for your town to survive.
Whether it's a patch on the sleeve of a policeman or a fireman, or a badge on the side of a dump truck or a plow truck, we all work for the city of Festus. And when we say city of Festus, we say for the residents of Festus.